Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can find your password in your Apple ID. So to do that, first of all, you just need to be in your settings. So open the settings of any of your iOS device, and after that, just go to Apple ID over here. It's right on the top, tap on it, and now you can see these options over here like personal information, sign in and security, payment and shipping, iCloud, media and purchases, family sharing, and devices over here. So you just need to go to iCloud, tap on it, and now you can see passwords and keychain. Just need to tap on it, and now you can see your passwords if you tap on details over here. You can just either use your Touch ID or enter the password of your device, and then you'll be able to see the passwords. So guys, that's how you find the password in your Apple ID. If you found this video helpful, then please leave a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.